These are the problems of trying to have a workshop on a homestead. These brooding chickens, they got out of their thing, out of their brooder. They could go out there, the other chickens are killing them, so we've just been letting them hang out with us. Look I can't even cut my material. These birds aren't even scared. These are the problems you encounter when living on a homestead. Making French cleats for my wall right there where I can put my tools. I already got these ripped into 5-inch pieces, so now I'm gonna cut it. You can see at a 45 where the blade is. It's to be a 45 here. I'm gonna have one that's a 2-inch piece and then one that's a 3-inch piece. So I gotta get my stop dialed in. As you can see, this is going to get screwed to the wall, and this will hold the tools, and they'll interlock, and it won't fall off the wall. All right, so the first hanger I'm gonna make is for my skill saw, so it could just sit up out of the way. It's about 8 inches wide from the widest point right there to there, 13 inches long that way. So I'm gonna cut that little piece right there into the base, and then I'll build a back piece and I'll attach the other cleat to it. I'll gusset it, and then I'll have my first cleat, and you'll see what I'm doing here. It's pretty exciting. So, the hole saw, drill the hole, the skill saw, or whatever you call it, cut out the track. Now, this sits inside of there. See where I'm going with this? So I got this. The saw's gonna sit in there, but I gotta gusset it for more support, you know. So got these 2 gussets. Let's see. This is why I need the cleat wall, because I can never find anything. Look at that's in the way. So I guess I just notch that a little bit. But overall, you get the idea of what I'm trying to accomplish here. Big problem. All right, so I showed you guys how I made that. You got to see that in hyperlapse. I made another one for my little sawzall. Then I made this cabinet thing to hold, obviously, all my drills. And I got lucky. I just figured I'd try the finish nail gun, and it worked out. So that's cool. I got my 1/2 inch impact, regular impact drill, shelf here for random stuff, another shelf on top. Yeah, and then the other day after I built this, I added this offcut here, and I got a whole nother shelf up there. But it's all coming along, man. Everything looks good. This little DeWalt, it's not really little. This is the biggest job site saw they make, 10-inch blade. But anyways, it's great. I made all this with it. It's fun. So I'm leveling up right now. I'm making a bunch of little cabinets so I can eventually do cabinets in our kitchen, in our dining room, and probably in my office and the bedroom. And we're going to make a linen closet. So I'm going to have a lot of boxes to build. And this is kind of just helping me wrap my head around the process, learning all kinds of stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe if you're not. I've gotten tons of new subscribers from my World War III video. Had nothing to do with World War III. Just good title, I guess. Like usual, sell the stuff you're not using, pay off your debts, and go buy some property. Have fun. Take it easy, everybody.